I'm using this marionette script by S. Barrett Walker, link in the description. And all it does is it turns this 2D flat information, you can see this is just a text, and this is just a two-dimensional circle, and it will embed this number into this object. The first thing you want to do is group it, if it's not already grouped, and give it a name. This name is important, right? 01. It must correspond to the name inside here, group object name here. Okay, so let's run it. Excellent. It draws a line from the text object to this circle object. That's great. Then we click on the next marionette, text to 3D loci, and we run it. Ba-boom, and then we should get some 3D loci in here, like that. And you can just create the site model from this thing. Okay, and there we have it. For the metric system, you want to open up this wrapper and find a marionette node. Let's add the integer. You want a purple integer. If you can't find it, just type in here, integer. And you want one more node multiply. Click on the integer node, type in 1000. Right, let's see if this is grouped. Group it, give it a name, 01. Run the script. And hopefully